Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make this beautiful mat for your tables, dining tables, side tables, or even you can use it for your dressing area. This can be made according to the color of your choice. So enjoy learning. What you require for the project are a yarn of your choice, a pair of scissors and a hook of 9 mm. So let's begin. At first we'll begin with slip knot. Now we have to make chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to join these stitches here in the first chain with slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, which will work as a double crochet, and in the same chain we have to make double crochet 1, do not close it, double crochet 2. Now close them all together to form a petal. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next chain we have to make double crochet 1, 2, 3, close them all together. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again in the next chain we have to make double crochet 1, 2, 3, close them all together. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next stitch we have to make double crochet 1, 2, 3, close them all together. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the next stitch again we have to make double crochet 1, 2, 3, close them all together. So in this way we have to make one petal 4 chains, then the next petal 7 chains, again a petal 4 chains, and the next petal 7 chains. So we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals up till now. Keep on continuing the pattern till you complete 8 petals for the flower. This is how the flower will look like when it will be completed. Now we have to make double crochet on each chain that we did previously in the second row. So we'll begin with 1, 2, 3 chain, and here we have to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more double crochet at the top of the petal. Now we have to make 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3, 1, 2, 3 for the corner of the pattern, and now 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1 double crochet at the top of the petal. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 at the top of the petal. Now here we have to make 4 plus 3 plus 4, and here we have to make 1 at the top of the petal and 4 double crochet here. In the same way complete the row following the same pattern. That's how we have completed the round. Now chain 1, 2, 3, one more chain for the gap, skip 1. In the next one double crochet 1, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet 1, chain 1, skip 1 again, double crochet 1, chain 1, skip 1 again, double crochet 1, chain 1, again skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch we have to make double crochet 1, chain 1. Now skip 1. In the next one we have to make double crochet 1, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again in the same stitch we have to make one more for the corner. Again chain 1, skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1. So complete the round following the same pattern by doing double crochet 1, chain 1 and skipping 1 double crochet at the same time off the row below. And at the corner we have to make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and in between these 2 double crochet we have to make 5 chains. So complete the round following the same pattern. So this round is also completed and the pattern would appear like this. Now we have to make chain 1, 2, 3 for the next round, and in the gaps double crochet 1, above the double crochet 1. It means we have to make double crochet all through the stitches below without making any chains in between till we come to the corner. And at this corner we have to make double crochet 1, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again double crochet 1. Now above this double crochet we have to make double crochet 1, and in the gap double crochet 1. Complete the round following the same pattern. This is how the round is completed. Now we'll move towards another round. Chain 3. Now we have to make 1 double crochet on each stitch below, like this, till we reach the side of the square.
Keep Us Here by Scott Buckley.
You must remember while making 4th row that there should be 23 stitches on each side of the square. Now we will continue making double crochet on each stitch below. Now we are moving towards the side of the square. We have to skip these 2 stitches. And now we have to make chain 1, and in this loop we have to make double crochet 1, chain 1, 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 double crochet 1, chain 1,
Spiral by KV.
Again double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet 1, chain 1. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but we have to make one more.
Coming Home by Liquid and Dave Fox.
Double crochet 1, chain 1. We have to skip these 2 stitches. In the third one we have to make double crochet.
Fog by Desaro.
Keep on doing double crochet, and when we will reach this side of the square we will skip these 2 double crochet, and in this loop we have to make 8 double crochet, and there should be 1 chain in between each double crochet, like this. So complete all the 4 sides of the square in the same way. This is how the round is complete. We have skipped 2 stitches on both sides of the square while making this row, and we have made 8 double crochet with 1 chains in between them in this loop on all the 4
Snowball by
sides.
Scott Buckley.
We'll move towards other round. Chain 3. Again we have to make double crochet on each stitch below, and in this round also we
Through My
have to
Eyes,
leave
instrumental by Mike
2
Lee.
double crochet on each sides.
Mexicana en Lele by Legang.
Like this we have to skip these 2 double crochet and we have to make chain 2, and in the gap we have to make double crochet 1, chain 2,
Let You Go, instrumental
in the
by
gap,
Spectrum.
double crochet 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, chain 2, double crochet 1,
City
chain
Light by
2,
Artificial Music.
double crochet 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, chain 2, and double
Mary
crochet
Bay by Ghost
1.
Drifter.
Now we have to make chain 1 and we have to skip these 2 stitches, and in the next one we have to make double crochet till we reach the other side of the
Mrs.
square.
Cesara by Lockspeeds.
Keep on repeating the pattern and complete all the 4 sides. When the round is complete, we have to make chain 3,
Sunset
and
Tree by Amin
again we have to
Maxwell.
make double crochet on each stitch below till we reach the side, and again on the side we have to skip 2 double crochet
Easily by Joni Grimes.
in the same way that we did earlier. We have to skip these 2. Now chain 1, 2, 3. On this double crochet we have to make petal
We Are Here by Declan DP.
1, 2, 3. Close them all together and 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains in between 2 petals. 1, 2, 3. Close all the loops together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again on this double crochet, 1, 2, 3, close them all together, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, close them all together, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, close them all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, chain 5, 1, 2, 3. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We have to skip these 2 double crochet. On the third one we have to make double crochet on each stitch below till we reach the another corner of the square. Keep on repeating the pattern till you complete all the 4 sides of the square. When the round is complete, we'll make chain 3. Again we have to make double crochet on each stitch below, and on the both sides as usual we have to skip 2 double crochet. Now we'll skip these 2 we have to make chain 1, 2, 3 and at the top of the petal we have to make half double crochet, half double crochet again, 1, 2, 3. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, half double crochet, 3, 1, 2, 3, and at the top half double crochet, 1, now half double crochet, 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete all the 4 sides following the same pattern. Now at the top of the petal, half double crochet, 1. Do not forget to skip 2 stitches on both the side of the square. When this round is complete, we have to make single crochet here to reach this point. Now chain 1, 2, 3, double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, 2, 3, and in the loop we have to make double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to remember that we have to make 3 double crochet here by skipping 2 on each side. Complete the round following the same pattern. Now the beautiful table mat for your table is now complete. Make as many as 6 if you want it for your dining table. Thank you so much.